we can say that the price of inputs, right? Price expectation, if you quickly revise, if I am saying that the future price will increase, my current immediate supply will go down, right? Similarly, let's talk about price of inputs. Now, if I am saying that the cost of production, everything else, future price expectation, current price, everything else you can imagine of is constant. What is changing is the cost of production, which is increasing. What do you mean by increase in cost of production? Let's say suppose I am a mango seller. For me, getting mangoes from one location to the place where I'm selling it, the marketplace, that distance, let's suppose the cost of bringing the mangoes over here is increasing because of the increase in the prices of petrol, diesel and all that. Also, maybe some other reasons, like my laborers who were getting the mangoes from there, they are charging me more now. Whatever be the reason, your cost of inputs, your cost of production, price of inputs, your inputs can be anything. It can be transportation, it can be labor, it can be the finance that you are raising, the interest you are paying on the finance, anything, any input that you are using, the cost of that is going up. If that is going up and the current price is still at 500, what will you do as a seller? Tell me. Price is 500. Earlier, the cost was 250 for me. Everything. Now the cost is, let's say, suppose 300. I will sell less at the given price. So if there is an increase in the cost of production, the firm will want to sell less and there will be a shift leftwards or upwards. There will be a decrease. There will be a decrease in supply. Shift of supply curve leftwards or upwards.